How to buy crypto on LBANK Exchange using credit card or debit card. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to buy crypto on LBANK Exchange using your credit card or debit card. Now then, to begin with the procedure, you just have to go and log in into your LBANK account. When you're logged in, you just have to go ahead and press the buy crypto button from the top right. As you click on it, a drop down menu appears. From there you could either go ahead and select credit card, debit card or P2P. So select credit card or debit card. Next page, you need to go ahead and select buy or sell, whether it's buy or sell. Then enter the exact amount and confirm it by tapping on the confirm to buy. After you're done entering the exact amount, typing the wallet address, all of that, then scroll down to the bottom and then confirm it. On the other field, you need to go ahead and press on confirm to buy. As soon as you click on confirm to buy, review the terms and condition, and right at the bottom you just have to go ahead and select the way that you're buying the crypto. Enter in the payment source, that is your debit card or your credit card. Select that and click on confirm to buy one more time. As you've confirmed the transaction or the withdrawal, then you'll have successfully bought crypto on LBank Exchange using credit card or debit card. So that is how you could go ahead and buy crypto on LBank Exchange. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.